Hello YouTubers, welcome to another video. I had to put aside the multimeter repair for some work, and this is the one of the example of work that I do. So I don't repair everything relating to electronics, but I just focus on what I can do, what I can help my customer. If it's within my capability and jurisdiction of knowledge, I will do as much as I could to help. So this is a guitar pedal by Boss. The model is a DD-3. There are several DD-3, and I'm not sure whether this, I think, is the later version one. I think there are two or three version of DD-3. It's a digital delay unit, mainly used for guitars. You can use it for other purpose also, such as if you wanna use it for vocal effect, you can do so. So obvious from the looks of it is it has a broken knob. So in this video I'm going to do as in this short video. I hope I will try to replace this knob in this video. Yeah. So yeah, let's get to it and open the unit itself. Already heat up my soldering iron, so we don't waste a lot of time. Yeah, looks new. So according to the owner, this was the unit was at first the knob itself was bent when he received it, probably due to caused by the whatever happened in transit. So this is definitely the later version because it uses a lot of SMD. I call this problematic ends because they are small size and hard to see, and they are end size. So yeah, that's the what do you call this, insulator, I think. Yeah. So this is the new version of the Boss DD-3. Not sure which one. So from the get-go itself, I don't like this. Can we unwrap? Yeah. So they give a lot of wire, a lot of slack to the component itself. Yeah, the thing that I don't like about those capacitors, they will leak. I'm not sure whether the those kind of capacitor has improved compared to 10 years ago, because 10 years ago this kind of capacitor leaks within a short span of time. So maybe 3 or 4 years, if it, regardless whether you use the unit or not, whatever gear that uses such kind of capacitor will tend to leak. But that's the normal practice ever since after 90s, mid 90s. A lot of companies resorted going to these small size SMT capacitors in order to save to cut down on the size of the board itself, cut down on the design, cut down on the cost, cut down on the human labor, because these are, I think, installed by machine, a pick and place machine, cut down on everything. So that is the future. So yeah, so that is what we are going to see in future. No more repairs, no more what you say, very tight. So I think I have to take out the put this back inside and put this insulator. Yeah, so that I can take out the this is the recommended way if you want to take out knobs. So you have equal upward push of the knob itself. Do not use one screwdriver and try to lift it side to side. You may broke the knob itself by pulling the shaft outwards. But fortunately, this most of the Boss product, they have good quality pot, so the pot itself is strong, can withstand pulling of any sort except gorilla repairing the thing. Yeah, the right size of socket hex nut is also recommended. Don't use long nose pliers like most idiots I see in YouTube. If you cannot afford or if you cannot find a proper tool, then stop destroying people's gear. I mean, the skill comes later through experience, but to begin with, you have to have the proper tool. So invest, please invest, because if you cheapen thing from the beginning, that shows that you are not very concerned with the quality of work that you're doing. Never mind if you don't know anything. I also don't know a lot of things, but to me the most important thing is to have the proper tool, so that you don't get frustrated by such little things in the repair. So yeah, get a complete set of the socket, hex nut, whatever that's needed in your work. So yeah, my work mainly I mainly use small size tool. So that is the broken part itself. Let me correct the yeah. I think I'm gonna just desolder this without using any sucker, because I don't want to spend a lot of time heating the area of business here. So yeah, this is a bit easier. I will suck the excessive solder after I take out this thing. Yeah, heat it up. We need something to hold it because it's hot. Let's hope this will do. Yeah, this is quite in the way actually. Yeah. Yeah, very clean, very nice. So now we suck the excessive solder. My soldering tool needs to be clean because there's a lot of yeah. Let's put the new potentiometer in. If you want to know more about these parts or component that's used, please consult your local Roland service center, because they are the one that's selling Roland or Bosch product in your country. They're the one that should be responsible for any information or official authorized information regarding the product that they sold. That is the proper way of doing things. Do not sell thing and be irresponsible afterwards. Nowadays, a lot of company needs to revisit their understanding of what is sales after sales service. Nowadays, a lot of company know only sales. not after sale service. So that this kind of thing pisses me off as well, because sometimes you can't they are not aiding third party repairers, so they more or less prefer people buy stuff instead of repairing them. So that's why I give advice. If you want to know about this kind of parts, go to the official company or brand that makes the brand. They're the one that should be responsible of whatever that needs to be responsible. They need to be teach a lesson. You cannot just come in any country and sell thing and then forget about it. This is not those those missile anti aircraft missile, or air to air, or yeah, I think air to air or whatever, whereby you just fire and forget. No, this is you sell and you cannot forget, because if you forget, eventually people like me will be giving advice like, you just forget this kind of company. Just go with whatever simple to fix. What's the point of technology if you cannot enjoy it for as long as it's sensible to do so? Yeah, have to yeah, sometimes you do this kind of job while talking is a bit how you say, kelang kabut a bit. Kelang kabut is what? Is it's a bit well, I cannot think of the what is kelang kabut in in English. Kelang kabut is all over the place. Yeah. So sometimes when you do job, you have to while talking is a bit all over the place. So I need to align the power LED to the there's a pin inside there. So where it meets with the let me show you, meets with the circuit board itself. If you can see that pin, yeah, this pin is part of the enclosure itself, and the circuit board has that hole to match it with. So don't forget that. And now it's more or less aligning the it's good that they don't double side this thing. It's easy to take out, and it shows their quality in things, because if you because they make this as flat as possible. No double-sided glue is needed. So if you take this out, please be careful of the what you call this, information plate. Could be, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Let's put the new one also, the new one in its place. Most of these pots doesn't have washer, and I'm not sure whether it's normal. Maybe it's normal. Maybe the plate itself is replacing the work of the washer itself. Let's refocus the thing so that I don't forget. Refocus it to my brown skin so that we have more or less balanced light to the device under repair, under recording. Yeah, 13 minutes already. So I think I lied being about this video being short. So let's yeah, we need to redo this thing. So just now it was yeah, more or less how did they do it? Okay, more or less like that. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, more or less okay. It wouldn't affect anything. Memory of the phone is low. I hope I can get this done within the allowable recording time of the phone. If not, I'm going to pause or stop this. So put this here. Let's put 2 screws first. So that's the thing about the the reason why I ran this, because while I'm doing this, I kept remember the ME70 that was in video in my video, I think months ago, I think, about not able to get the schematic for it or the service manual to do even a reset procedure. So that kind of thing pisses me off. I mean, for me, I mean, Roland is like, you want to buy, you buy. You want to repair, no, you buy again. So it's like that. So that pisses me off. So yeah. Okay, I see. So the new volume port is the orientation of the shaft itself is not correct. So yeah. So I may have to maybe I mod this. I'm not sure. So this is supposed to be on the min. So it's over there now, the pointer, according to the knob. If I would put it max, it's over there. So I'm not sure whether this cap is removable or not, because all of the knob, if you look, is the thing there is all position on the same on each knob, so they are more or less come out from the same mold. So if I want to the pointer to be on the this position, so I may have to do something, or open the thing back up, or realign it the other way, or that kind of thing. So yeah, so it's going to be another video, so I'm not going to do that video. So this is more or less going to be a common sense job to realign the knob itself the other way and rewire the thing to the board instead of on the board itself. And yeah, that's about it. I think I'm going to have to reopen this, and I'm not going to bore you with that process. This is just a knob replacement or a port replacement. Yeah. Yeah. So it is what it is, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and be aware when you buy Boss product or Roland product. Ask them question. Ask them questions such like, if I buy this product, do you have parts for this product, and how long do you keep parts for this kind of digital products? What about the after sale service? Do you have a service center locally? Do you have authorized repairer locally? Because over here, this is not the US. Over here, the consumer rights is very weak, and you have to be somebody, if you wanna have, you have to be somebody well known for you to have some justice given to you. So if you like common people like me, you do what you have to do, email, and then ask nicely on the email, ask, give them reason. They will not entertain you. Believe me, I've gone to that process before. It's very disappointing, and I don't want to deal with Roland. That's a personal case. I'm not representing a lot of repairmen, but if you have a good relation with Roland entertain your needs and requirement, and good for you, more power to you, and congratulations. That's it for today. Thank you very much, and bye bye.